Hello and welcome to this Transload tutorial video. Today I will explain to you the basics of transload. Transloading refers to the process of transferring goods from one mode of transportation to another. It plays a crucial role in logistics and supply chain management by optimizing transportation routes and reducing overall costs. Transloading facilities are strategically located at key transportation hubs to facilitate efficient movement of goods across different modes of transport. Window check-in truck driver check-in system. It reduces wait times and administrative burdens for truck drivers and vendors when the truck arrives at the warehouse. It provides dedicated parking spaces or lots where drivers can safely park their trucks or containers, or directly assign to a loading dock if it's a live delivery. Appointment. Manage all the appointments for both inbound and outbound. By having a set schedule, it can be easier to plan out tasks, prioritize, and track important tasks, thereby reducing stress. Inbound, outbound. When the inbound is sent into our system, window check-in will automatically trigger a load task corresponding to that transload inbound. The system will capture all the packages or pallets and sort them based on the destination assigned to that shipment. Users can scan the packages using the Item Transload app. Transload Control Panel, a place that can track all the activities of all the loading docks. Transload Receive and Load Task. Every single transload will generate a receive task. Load task will be generated on destinations. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.